Yarn! It's another day and it's another mini vlog na naman po kami. Today pala ay special day because it's Mother's Day. At dahil pa surprise kami kay Mommy, so we open our box to check how much money do we have. Bili kasi kami ng regalo kay Mommy. So pera pala ito ang save namin ni ate. Kahit 5 at piso, mapasaya na namin si Mommy. Nag-joke ako kay ate. Sabi ko, ibili na lang namin ang food niyan. And I also have a surprise for Mommy. So I make this. First, I put the frog. At isa squish it, then I put paper on it. When I squish it, it will jump. I put in the box na lang dahil mahuhulog siya. And then Mommy will get one paper. It's a bunot, guys. First, Mommy get this. You and Appa drink. They are allowed because it's Mother's Day. And next naman, na bunot niya, I put I love you, Mommy. And Happy Mother's Day. At third one na pick niya ay magpunta kami sa SM Telebastagan. Request talaga namin yan, Mommy, kasi gusto namin maglakad. Ay, mali, maglaag di ay.
Fast forward at kinabukasan,
So we wake up early and we go to Mommy bed to hug her and we tell Mommy Happy Mother's Day po. At kay nanay din. So we make a surprise card to them. O diba, how sweet? I love you po, Mommy. Sana nagustuhan mo yung gift ko, Mommy. Sana napasaya ka po namin. Thank you, Mommy, for guiding us, helping, taking care, at pagturo sa amin na maging mabuting bata. Dahil Mother's Day, we have Mommy do all the chores. Nagpilo og habol at nag-arrange og unlan. Also, ate help put the water in the sink naman. At tinakyat niya din ang labahan. Very good na mo, diba? Pero ang tinuod, kalagaon ng mi. Kalaagon lang mi ay bulol. Ate put plastic in the basurahan. Ako naman naglinis ng table. At fast forward, nagkain kami dito sa Tokyo. Mother's Day kasi madaming tao. Wala kami maupuan. So we decide to eat here in Tokyo. Me and ate order ramen for lunch. At si Mommy naman tonkatsu. Dahil Mother's Day na yon, Samson treat us.
at sumama pala kami sa Korean uncle namin dito sa coffee shop. And we visit this site, soon to open na pala ito. This coffee shop po pala ay kakaiba. Kasi may media art sa loob. This concept pala is made from Korea. Sana soon makavisit po kayo. This is located in Greensfield, Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. May maganda at bagong pasyalan at bagong kapihan na maisusubukan ninyong magbabarkada. And fast forward, we buy balloon and flower and we went to the bathroom para ilobo yung mga balloons. And after we prepare para i-surprise si Mommy. Happy Mother's Day, yo!
Happy Mother's Day sa rapper namin na Mommy na maingay pag umaga. Kaig pa ang tilaok ng manok. Kaingay. O diba, kabongga ang surprise namin?
Maoras lang sa pagtanaw, hindi pa nakapag-follow, please follow the sister po.
That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye!